We need to move the animals! They will drown!
Mom, I am scared. The water is cold.
Help me with the rabbits! The cages are heavy! The water is at my knees! It is too fast!
The electricity is gone. It is completely dark.
Dad, is the water coming up here?
Listen to the water. It is very loud.
The sun is warm today. It is a beautiful morning.
Yes, it is. The farm looks beautiful.
I need to feed the animals.
I will help you. We have a lot of work today. The rabbits are hungry.
Here is some food for them. Good morning, little friends.
Look, Mom! Max is running!
Yes, Max is a happy dog. Stay near the house, kids.
The chickens and roosters are eating. Everything is perfect.
Look at the sky. The clouds are very dark.
The wind is getting cold. A storm is coming.
It is raining. Let's go inside the house.
Warning. Flash flood warning. Heavy rain. The river is dangerous. Move to high ground immediately.
Did you hear that?
A flash flood. The river is too close to our farm.
Look out the window. The water is rising. It is moving very fast.
We cannot leave in the truck. The road is full of water.
We must go to the barn. The barn has a high roof. We need to move the animals! They will drown!
I will take the kids to the barn. You open the cages.
Mom, I am scared. The water is cold.
Hold my hand. Do not let go. Walk fast.
Go, go! Move to the barn! Quickly now!
I am coming back to help you.
Help me with the rabbits! The cages are heavy!
I have them. Max, come here. Good boy. Good boy.
The water is at my knees! It is too fast!
Push the door! We need to close the barn door!
Climb up! Go to the second floor! Hurry!
We are up. Are all the animals here?
Yes, the rabbits and the chickens are safe.
The electricity is gone. It is completely dark.
Dad, is the water coming up here?
No, son. We are high up. We are safe together.
Listen to the water. It is very loud.
The barn is strong. It will hold.
Max is crying. Come here, Max.
Turn on the flashlight.
We must wait. We cannot do anything else.
I am here with you. We just have to wait for the morning.
Wake up! The rain stopped.
Look, the sun is coming out.
The water is going down.
The farm is a mess, but we are alive.
Look out the window! Over there!
It is a boat. The rescue team is here.
We are finally safe. Hello! We are here! In the barn! We're here to take you home.
Thank you so much.
We are all safe! The family and the animals.
We survived the night.
Yes, we did. We can rebuild everything else.
Thank you for being so brave.
We did it together.